Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing the highest impact priorities and defining measurable KPIs. This clarifies where to invest time and money. Once chosen, assign owners and 90-day targets so accountability is immediate. Make sure to map stakeholders, customers, team leads, vendors, because influence flows through relationships. Then establish a weekly 30 to 60-minute review cadence. Use it to surface blockers and adjust work. These first steps convert intent into motion, giving you data and responsible people to iterate from. Now focus on execution by turning priorities into one-page plans that list milestones, owners, risks, and budget. Once done, run daily stand-ups for tactical rhythm, weekly syncs to align teams, and monthly outcome reviews to measure progress against KPIs. Make sure to rely on simple dashboards that show revenue, churn percentage, lead velocity, and margin dollars so decisions are evidence-based. You balance short cycles with strategic reviews, and by clarifying decisions, you reduce rework and keep teams moving toward shared outcomes. To finish, run a concise close. Capture wins, failures, and at least one next experiment on a one-page retro so lessons feed the pipeline. Then reallocate resources toward the highest ROI projects each quarter. This keeps the portfolio healthy. If progress stalls, diagnose the root cause quickly, people, process, or product, and act. Reduce scope, reassign the owner, or rejigger incentives. A practical troubleshooting tip. Isolate one metric to move, focus a small team, and test for 1 to 2 weeks to validate fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.